How to enable dark mode on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any delay, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, go down to the profile option. As you go down to the profile option, then go up on these three lines. As you click on these three lines, go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, down there you can see another option of theme. Click on that, and over here you can change your Instagram theme to light, dark, or set as default. Set as default means the theme of your mobile that are you using. So if you are using dark theme on your mobile, the Instagram will automatically sense it as dark theme. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also make sure to like. Thanks and have a nice day.